Inflation, inflation, inflation. It seems to be a buzzword at the moment, but what does it actually mean? Very simply, inflation is the rate at which prices for goods and services rise. Let's take a look at how inflation can affect you and your investments.
Have you noticed how things seem to be getting more expensive over time? In 2008, a loaf of white bread cost R5.89. And in 2013, that same loaf of white bread cost R10.11. And now in 2022, it'll cost you R15.49. This is all because of inflation. So how does inflation affect you over time? Well, Thandi goes to the hairdresser to have her hair washed, treated and styled once a month for R450. If the salon increases its prices by 10% a year, in 5 years' time, Thandi will be paying R724 for the same service. How does inflation affect your investments? Well, if you invested your money for a year and you got a 5% return, you could be quite happy that your money grew. But if inflation was also 5%, then actually your money didn't grow at all because the real return was zero. We can calculate the real return by taking the investment return and deducting inflation. Therefore, if you got the same 5% return on your investment and inflation was 6%, 5 minus 6 equals -1, which means that your money didn't grow at all, but actually it shrunk.
So as you can see, inflation doesn't just mean the things you buy get more expensive. It's actually an important factor in building your wealth. You need to make sure that you're getting a real return above inflation. Otherwise your money isn't growing. If the real return is less than inflation, you could be saving yourself poor